So I'm at the new house and starting to work on my truck again. Just received all the C4 front suspension from Don at Flat Out Engineering. He kindly supplied it all to me. It's been a pleasure to deal with. I also have obviously his front subframe and coilovers and spare boxer bits. Those are some new hubs and bits and pieces, and there's the power steering rack. I'm a little bit confused by the instructions, but I'm working through it. Instructions say to come back 27.5 inches and mark a centre line, which I have, from the front of the chassis rail, and that'll be the new centre line for the C4 stuff. This scribe all the way back here, a further 3 inches back down the chassis rail, is where the wheel centre used to sit on the solid axle with no load and weight on the front axle whatsoever. It did come forward about an inch. If I put some weight on the front end, obviously as the shackle eye pivoted forwards, it pulled the centre forward here. So yeah, I've got my 2 inch and 5/16 back for my centre line. It's all just dummied up and all just sitting here. That's the other part of my concern. Obviously the boxing plate sits in the chassis rail, and you've got to make a cutout for the power steering rack to go through, and with this sitting at 27.5 inches, as you can see, I don't have enough room for the cutout. So I'm just doing a little bit of homework. I may need to wait until I get the cab back from the panel beaters, and then I can mount the front guards and actually see what is happening in relation to the wheel centres, and then I can go and tack all that in place. I can't just unfortunately run down the road and ask Don, because obviously he's 12 hours away. But yeah, so far very happy. It's all coming together slowly, but once I get the suspension in and down, the cab back on, hopefully things can start moving along a bit quicker.